Two-piece packaged, newest upgrade 360-degree rotate plus sway adjustabe. Maximize your view with wide angle in car. All convex spot mirrors are equipped with tiny adjustable swivel mounting bracket for easy installation. 2 HD glass curved male face frameless ultrathin slim design, equipped with 3M adhesive for pressure-sensitive tape installation. IP65 waterproof, rust-resistant and the glass will not haze. Suitable for interior or exterior use. Flexible convex shape of blind spot mirror helps you to forecast the next surroundings when passing or changing lanes. Install and test within seconds. All universal vehicles car fit accessory, must have for every truck, car, SUV, RVs and vans. PLS NOTE. This item do not fit for motorcycle. Benefits. 1. Avoid the blade spots. 2. Clearly when you backing your car. Package. 2x blind spots mirror and support. 3 meters stick on for every mirror. Top reviews from the United States. So far, so good. I am using these on my 21 Toyota Tundra. I used clear packing tape to figure out where the best location would be for each of my side mirrors, and the bottom outside corners were the best spot. I mounted them without the adjustment stems and they are working really well. They really are clear and I can see my blind spot well. Good quality mirrors.